Yep. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. So last session we learned about how to handle different state related hooks and all, use reducers and use context like options. Next important one more is I will give you another example for React material UI. Another option is material UI. Material UI is not something like somebody teaches you and you learn, because it is a library like Bootstrap, and this keeps on changing. Every version some new things will come. So I will give you a simple overview of few components. Based on that you can try others. That means, for example, actually material have a lot of things. It is a paid service. That means freely they will provide some concepts which you can use. Others you need to pay and use them. It's not free. So if you know Bootstrap, it is same like that. For example, Bootstrap have different types of components like nav bars, carousels, buttons, badges, collapse, accordion. So many components are present in Bootstrap. Same we have here material also. So what is the concept of material is? Actually, it is a component library for building effective UI with React applications. So it is a component library for building effective UI with React application. So actually it provides premium and free components. It's not necessary that every company have to use this React material only, because some companies may use other paid services like, so they can use other paid services like Telerik. So actually similar to material UI, there are various third party component libraries like Telerik. You have like Telerik, you have like Dev Express. So many are present. So it's not necessary that every company have to use this, because even you learned material UI, everybody is not using it. Some companies have their third party libraries, they use it. Actually, what is a component library means? You want a form, a ready-made form is present. You want a toolbar, a ready-made toolbar is present. Just what you do, you import, customize, and use according to your requirement. Actually, React material have a lot of paid features. Freely they provide some library which you can use for designing good interface. Like for example, see, actually this is material UI. This is the React material UI. This is nothing but, what is the main purpose is, it reduces the burden of developers in designing complex things. Because see, you learned so many concepts. We already learned CRUD operations. we can design a grid where you can insert, update, delete, perform all operations. But generally, companies' policy is not testing your skills. Companies' work is business. That means their job is developing apps. That is their business. And they don't want your skills, talent to use and design application. Of course, they need it, but that is not the priority for them. The priority is business. For a business, we have to develop an application and we have to deliver it by that particular day. For that, you ask your developers to design. If developer says that give me 1 month time, I will create beautiful design. We don't want your beautiful design. That means we don't want your beautiful design. We are not running a talent show here. Just the business concept is design this for this requirement. As much fast possible, do it. By the specified time, you have to finish. We don't care about your skills, your creativity. We don't care. That's not our business. Software development is not a talent show, it's a business. And you are paid for what you are doing. That's the reason they are not even concerned about your hard work because you done a lot of hard work, you created great designs, you worked for a project. Next month, there is no project, you are out. You are out. They will simply send you out. They will not consider that you done very hard work and you worked very hard for previous project. They don't care because for next project, they don't need resources like you, they will remove. That's the reason even developers are not interested in committing into complex things and designing that by their own. As much as possible, clear the work. For that, these kind of third parties are good. That's the reason even company says that don't waste your time, get designs from here and use. And you see, this is a paid service. That means you have companies will purchase some components for you, which may not be available free, right? You want some attractive calendar, you want some attractive grid with lot of functionality, then don't waste time. Already they design, purchase it, import the library and use it, right? You see, these are paid services. They will provide the paid services. Certain things they will give free. Others you have to pay and use them. You have to pay and use them. And see, free licensed few things they will provide to you. Which components they will give the list of them. Others you will not get. Right? Others you are not going to get. That means you see support and escalation issues. These are not provided to you. That means what? You are freely using a library. If you got a problem, if it is not working, then who will support? The person who designed, he will not respond. You post in the community saying that I got this error. If you are lucky, somebody will reply. But if you purchase, there is a team ready for you. They will immediately come and resolve. And rest depending on how much money you pay. You pay more money, they respond in 24 hours. You pay more money, they respond in 1 hour. You pay more money, they respond immediate. Money, complete business, right? You pay more money, 2 business days. Us they can handle all as fast as possible by using ready-made templates. Right? That is the major aim of this. Like that, so many people are there. Material, not only material, you have this is modern UI made easy. And see, these are the customers of Telerik. NASA, Visa, Microsoft are using Telerik.